So this is one of the jobs I'm going to be doing today. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my hand behind here and just push this crease, this body line back to its shape. So a lot of the dent's going to pop out. Not a lot, but some of it. So this is after just using my hands behind it. So you can see there's still dent right there. There's dents right here, that area. All the way up here, there's dent still all the way down here. So now this is where the tools come in place. So now I'm going to be using this right here. So this is a rubber right here, plastic, pretty hard, straight metal. I'm going to go down here and knock all the high spots down. So you can see it's already starting to look really good. See a few little waves there, we got to get to those. It's coming out. Alright guys, all done with this dent. As you can see, it came out nice. Really good.